All right, now Haryana poll dangle heats up. Olympians Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia are all set for their poll debut on a Congress ticket from Haryana. Bajrang Punia confirmed about the poll plunge exclusively to India Today. The wrestlers are all set to enter poll dangle at 2:30 p.m. now. The BJP has trained its guns on Vinesh and the Congress party, stating that from now on, Vinesh is not Desh ki beti, but Congress ki beti. Saffron Party has blamed the Congress for the wrestlers' protest in Delhi against Brij Bhushan. Now, meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are almost on the verge of finalizing their seat-sharing pact for Haryana. Raghav Chadha, our MP, has spoken with Rahul Gandhi and conveyed that his party wants to fight on at least 5 to 7 solid seats and not just leftover seats. And in another setback, it appears, for the BJP, there's a revolt brewing within the BJP after their first poll list. Many BJP netas are upset over ticket denial. Haryana's former minister and BJP OBC Morcha president Karan Kamboj has snubbed the Haryana chief minister and asserted that he will make his own party lose seats.
कांग्रेस पहले दिन से ही इनकी बैक पे थी और इनके उकसाने से ही वो आंदोलन चल रहा था, नहीं तो उसका बहुत जल्दी फैसला भी हो जाता। अगर वो देश की बेटी से कांग्रेस की बेटी बनना चाहती है तो हमें क्या एतराज है?
ऐसी कौन सी मजबूरी है, मुझे वो बताएं, और अगर वो बताएंगे मैं उससे सेटिस्फाई होऊंगा तो मैं पार्टी का सहयोग करूंगा। पार्टी ने ऐसे व्यक्ति को जो हर तरह से पार्टी को नुकसान पहुंचाने का काम कर रहा है, ऐसे पार्टी के ऐसे व्यक्ति को टिकट दे करके कार्यकर्ताओं का अपमान करने का
दोनों सीटों पे नुकसान होगा।
ये जो है ना स्वीकार नहीं होगा। दोनों सीटें आ रहेंगी, बिल्कुल आ रहेंगी, नहीं आ रहेंगी तो हमारे वो है।
कांग्रेस का गठबंधन हरियाणा के लोगों के साथ है और हरियाणा के लोगों ने फैसला कर लिया है कि कांग्रेस की सरकार हरियाणा में बनाने जा रहे हैं हरियाणा के लोग। ये बात खट्टर साहब को भी पता है, भाजपा के नेतृत्व को पता है, बीजेपी का आम साधारण कार्यकर्ता है, वो भी इस बात को पहचान गया है कि भाजपा की पार्टी के अंदर ना तो सम्मान मिल रहा, ना भाजपा का हरियाणा के अंदर को भविष्य दिख रहा।
जो संविधान के खिलाफ काम करेगा, जो सामाजिक न्याय में साथ खड़ा नहीं होगा, उसके खिलाफ हम लोग लड़ेंगे।
कौन सी लाइन है? लाइन बता दीजिए ना, लाइन कौन सी?
ये लाइन है, नए जगत में हुआ पुराना ऊंच नीच का किस्सा, सबको मिले मेहनत के मुताबिक अपना अपना हिस्सा।
All right, let me cut to Amit Bharadwaj joining us live for more on that. Amit, take it away, the two-star grapplers who are all set to join the Congress party. We heard 1:30 p.m. Now it seems like it's delayed a bit. 2:30 p.m. is precisely the time they're going to be joining the party in the presence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Will Rahul Gandhi be there? And is there going to be an announcement of them contesting elections as well?
Nabila, first things first, yes, it's definitely going to be this noon, whether 1:30 or 2:30. The time has gotten a bit delayed because of the other nitty-gritties that needs to be taken into account. And so what we are now given to understand that around 2:30 this noon, Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia, both of them will be joining the Congress party officially. They have met in the past the senior Congress leadership as well as Rahul Gandhi, where that photo came out, even furthering that speculation as to whether the both Olympians will be contesting Haryana Assembly polls on Congress party ticket. What we are given to understand is that, it's in most likelihood both of them will be contesting on Congress ticket in this electoral fray of 2024 in Haryana. For Vinesh, yes, there are two options that are being explored. Now we'll have to wait for that ticket, first list announcement as to from where Vinesh is going to fight, whether is it her hometown or whether the constituency where her in-laws' house is. So there are two options for Vinesh Phogat. A much more stronger constituency is being explored for her between these two, where the Congress cadre is strong. There's strong sentiment of, in favor of Vinesh Phogat, as well as the rural background of these areas will be taken into account, because remember, both of them had also gone on to support the farmers' agitation, and the farmer netas, leaders has also extended their support when Sakshi, Vinesh and Bajrang were sitting on dharna at Jantar Mantar. So a lot of favorable factors are already working in favor of Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia. But definitely this noon, they are all set to join the Congress party. Whether they'll be in electoral fray, yes, all sources are indicating towards that possibility. The seats, that will become clear only once the list is out. And yes, the senior leadership of the Congress party will be present as Vinesh and Bajrang join hands with Congress this noon. Back to you.
So we know that Vinesh Phogat and largely Bajrang Punia has had a close association with the Congress party. He also trains in one of the Congress leaders' akhadas. That's what I hear. So they've had support from Bhupender Hoda for a while now. And it's no surprise that the star grapplers choose Congress party over the Aam Aadmi party in Haryana to make their political plunge.
Nabila, we also have to take into account the electoral arithmetic of Haryana. Yes, their stance was pretty much clear, anti-BJP, because of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh episode, the way they were sitting on dharna at Jantar Mantar, and the way, BJP responded to that dharna. So they were very vocal about being critical to the BJP. That's there. So what are the options that you have? Obviously, Dipendra Hooda and Bhupender Singh Hooda extended their support to Bajrang, Sakshi and Vinesh when the protest was going on. Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal were supporting them. But if you look at the electoral arithmetic of Haryana, Congress is in a much stronger position right now, not only in Haryana, but also if you are looking at a national plank as well. They have a better hold at a national level as well. And obviously, if you look at the caste arithmetic as well, the Congress Party has larger support of the Jat community in this particular electoral, battle of 2024 in Haryana. Right. So that way as well, if you keep the political clout, Congress is obvious choice as well as the caste arithmetic. Back to you.
Amit, thank you very much. We will keep coming back to the story as at 2:30 p.m. is likely the time when they're going to be formally joining the Congress.